Hello students, today we are going to discuss on insurance claim. Okay, so while solving the problem of insurance claim, we have to prepare two answers. Okay, first is memorandum of trading account and then statement of claim for loss of stock. Whatever stock is destroyed in a fire, for that purpose, company submit the claim to the insurance company. So whatever claim is there that need to submit to the insurance company. For that purpose, company has to prepare this memorandum of trading account and after that statement of claim for the loss of stock. So as far as memorandum of trading account is concerned, if you see, this is the trading account. Okay, and to the debit side of this trading account, there is opening stock, purchases, wages, and all the direct expenses. Then gross profit, which is percentage on net sales to the credit side, and closing stock. Okay, this is our balancing figure, closing stock. So that balancing figure we have to transfer to this statement of claim for loss of stock. See here, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ॲज ऑन डेट ऑफ फायर. इथं जी अमाऊंट येते क्लोजिंग स्टॉकची ती आपल्याला इथं मांडावी लागते. ओके, आफ्टर पुटिंग द फिगर हिअर क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ॲज ऑन डेट ऑफ फायर, फ्रॉम दॅट वी हॅव टू डिडक्ट salvaged. What is salvage? Salvage is nothing but your a stock which is normally retained by the insurance company at agreed value. Okay, or you can say that stock salvage means the stock saved from the fire. म्हणजे आगीपासून जेवढा माल शिल्लक राहिला असेल, आग लागून काही मालाचं नुकसान झालं असेल आणि काही माल शिल्लक आपण वाचवला असेल किंवा शिल्लक राहिला असेल, जो आगीमुळे जळून नष्ट झाला नसेल, अशा स्टॉकला काय म्हटलं जातं? सॅल्वेज्ड असं म्हटलं जातं. सो व्हॉट इज सॅल्वेज? सॅल्वेज मीन्स स्टॉक सेव्ड फ्रॉम द फायर. ओके, this salvage has to deduct from the closing stock. Okay, then add fire mitigation expenses. Okay, so whatever expenses incurred to extinguish the fire, that expenses we have to add here, and then we'll get claim for loss of stock. So this is a very simple topic, that is insurance claim. Here student need to draw memorandum of trading account and prepare statement of claim for loss of stock. Okay, so we'll take one problem so you can easily understand. Okay, so let me copy the problem here from here. फॉन्ट थोडासा वाढवूया आपण. See, fire occurred at a premises of trader on May 31, 2020, destroying a great part of his stock. The stock at January 1, 2020 appeared in his book at rupees 60,000. The value of the stock salvage was rupees 13,500. The gross profit on sale was 30% and sale amounted to rupees 1,53,000 from January to the date of fire, while for the same period purchase amounted to rupees 1,03,500, and they asked to prepare statement of claim for submission to the insurance company. Okay, while solving this problem, first we have to prepare memorandum of trading account. Okay, we first prepare memorandum of trading account. Okay, So our solution here, calculation of cost of stock destroyed or lost in 5. Okay, so first prepare memorandum of trading account. Okay, for the period from, see here, from the period beginning of current year to the date of fire. So period of current year here is January 1. See here, Uh, the stock at January 1 2020. Okay, so this is January 1, January 1 to last, here last, or the till the date of fire, when the fire occurred. See here, a fire occurred at the premises of trading on May 31st. So here, to the date of fire, 31st May 2020. Okay, then okay, particular amount, particular amount. First is opening stock. Okay, see here the statement. Opening stock, purchases, wages and direct expenses, gross profit, sales, closing stock. Okay, so opening stock first, right? Opening stock. So opening stock, which is the opening stock here? See, so the year 2020, first January 1st, the stock at January 1st 2020 appeared in the book is rupees 60,000. Okay, then आता याची तारीख 1 आहे, त्यामुळं हा आपला काय असणार आहे? ओपनिंग स्टॉक असणार आहे. मग ओपनिंग स्टॉक 60,000. ओके, देन टू परचेसेस, आग लागायच्या आधीपर्यंत जर परचेसेस कुठले असतील तर ते परचेसेस. सी इफ देर इज एनी परचेसेस, द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ स्टॉक सॅल्वेज, सॅल्वेजची व्हॅल्यू दिलेली आहे. द ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट ऑन सेल 30% दिलेला आहे. सेल्स 1,53,000 दिलेला आहे. ओके, while for the same period purchases amounted to rupees 1,03,500. So purchases 1,03,500 is our purchases. Then sale is given, sales by sales. Sales amounted to rupees 1,53,000. Okay. Then, is there any direct wages or direct expenses? Any? No. Then come to the gross profit. Gross profit. Okay. So gross profit that is given. The gross profit on sale was 30%. Okay. So we have to calculate 30% on sales. So 30% on sales. 30% on sales. So sales is 1,53,000. 1,53,000वरती 30% काढायचे आहेत. ओके. मग 1,53,000वरती 30% किती होतात? आय थिंक इट इज 45,900. ओके. किती होतात? 45,900 रुपये. ₹45,900. ओके. इथंपर्यंत आपलं झालं. मला आता सांगा, डेबिट साइड मोठी आहे की क्रेडिट साइड मोठी आहे? Which side is heavier, debit or credit? You have to close the account. I think debit side is heavier. So make an addition of this. So addition of this is 2,09,400. So write the same amount here, 2,09,400. So deduct this 1,53,000 from 2,09,400. So our balancing figure will be how much? 56,400. This is our balancing figure, and this balancing figure we know, this balancing figure is our closing stock, which is as on date of fire, as on date of fire. So we got the closing stock. So we have to put this closing stock where? To our statement of claim for loss of stock. See here, closing stock as date of fire. So right here our next answer, statement of fire claim. Statement of fire claim. Okay. So value of stock, or you can say this is our closing stock. Which closing stock? This closing stock. Okay. So right here closing stock is 56,000. From this less salvaged. Salvaged. See here, salvage was rupees 1,35,000. Sorry. This is not 1,35,000. 13,500. 13,500. Deduct this amount. So amount is 42,000. This is 56,400. So 42,900. Okay. Then add fire mitigation expenses. There is no fire mitigation expenses. So amount is 42,900. This is our claim amount. Okay. Thank you.